Let us learn associative property of integers for division. This property says that when we divide three integers, then we get the same value regardless of how the integers are grouped. For example, we have three integers a, b and c. Then a divided by b divided by c will have same value as a divided by b divided by c. On my left hand side, I have grouped b and c together, that is b divided by c will be performed first, and on my right hand side, a and b are grouped together, that is a and a divided by b will be performed first. And as per this property, both should have equal value. Left hand side and right hand side should have equal value. Let us try to find it out whether this property is true for integers or not. So we will put a as 2, we will replace b with 4, and we are going to replace c with 8. So these are the three integers we need to put at a, b and c. Let us see how it works. First we are solving left hand side equation. A divided by b divided by c. This is equal to a is 2 divided by b is 4 divided by 8. This is equal to 2 divided by 4 upon 8 equal to 2 divided by 4 upon 8 is 1 upon 2. This is equal to 2. Division will change to multiplication and 1 upon 2 will become only 2. How this happened? Because we know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So when we have 3 divided by 1 upon 3, this will be equal to 3 when we change division to multiplication. Then we inverse 1 upon 3 also. So this becomes 3. Same way, 1 upon 4 when divided by 2, then this becomes 1 upon 4 will remain as it is. This division sign will change to multiplication, and when we are changing division to multiplication, then we are inverting 2. This will become 1 upon 2. Okay, same way, suppose we have 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2, so this will become 2. Multiplication will change to division and 1 upon 2 will become only 2. So we are inverting this 1 upon 2 to only 2. So these have the same values. 3 divided by 1 upon 3 will have equal value as 3 multiplied by 3. So this is the general rule. Remember this. So 2 divided by 1 upon 2 according to this rule will become 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 4. Let us see what we get on our right hand side equation. Here we have a divided by b divided by c. This is equal to a we have 2 divided by b is 4 divided by c is 8 is equal to 2 upon 4 divided by 8. 2 upon 4 is nothing but 1 upon 2 divided by 8. So we are following this rule again. 1 upon 2 will remain as it is. Division, when we changing division to multiplication, then 8 will become 1 upon 8. So this is going to be 1 upon 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So on my left hand side we have got 4, and on my right hand side we have got 1 upon 16. 4 is not equal to 1 upon 16. And so this property is not true for division. This is false. You can try different examples also. You can put different integer values at the place of a, b and c, and try to match whether you have left hand side value equal to your right hand side value or not, and you will find that this property is false for entire range of integers. Associative property of integers is false for division. In my next videos, I will explain some more examples, some more properties of division for integers. Thank you for watching.